I don't know. We're an onion, thank you. Translate the ad. Okay, it says kakigori no chocominto. It means ice chocolate mint. Ice kangi. After Tokyo, I'm not sure yet. Maybe LA. Skeleto, thanks for the dinner. Another year of sub. Arigata. Arigata. Thanks for that. Long time, baby. Tia Kai. E3. Are you as excited about Japan as when you first got there? No. I think that's normal though. Okay, free Wi-Fi. Hey, Decima 3. Thanks for the Grand Twitch Prime, baby. And HJTV, thanks for the T1. Appreciate the subs, boys.
The next station is Shinjuku JY17. The doors on the left side will open. Please change here for the Chuo line, the Shonan Shinjuku line, the Saito line, the Odaki line, the Keio line, the Marunoki subway line, the Shinjuku subway line, and the Oedo subway line.
Papa Josh, thanks for the 3 months. Should go stream soon. I'm curious what kind of visa you have and how qualified for it. I have a degree in marketing and work experience. Do you feel more relaxed being back to Japan? Not yet. Subs, I don't think so. Feed me humans. Just the 2 months locked in for life. How do you got that? Cloud went, I'm not sure. Or do you recommend make friends? Lifting, make friends in Shibuya. In Shibuya at Content Corner. Terry, thanks for the 4 months. Well. We just have 2 more stops, so. Okay. New advertisement, unskippable. Euphoria, which is the brand new Twitch Prime. All the new subs, make sure you guys get on Discord and sync up, and welcome to Soapland, your first Japanese cultural experience. Toast, thanks for the half year. Hey. This guy's sponsored by Instant Noodles and Uniqlo. The pink ad is for... I don't know what that is. I don't know what that sculpture is. I'm not a weeb.
The next station is Yoyogi JY18. The doors on the left side.
Did you go to China to learn Chinese again? I have to learn Chinese, but would I go back maybe? Have you seen a lift in your ad revenue? I don't think so. Let me check. Free Wi-Fi. Thanks for coming back for the 4th month. And Drexel, thanks for the 3 months, guys. I got that. I can check right now. skincare product. Thank you. Skincare over here, boys. Any changes in ad revenue? Not really. No. I don't. No, nothing. I'm conversational fluent in Chinese, but not like business fluent. Jake might find the people who pay. That's not true. I can't even see who's a sub on this, dude. Do you understand that? I don't even know who's a sub and who's not, except for the people that I just know. Like even the mods don't have badges. That's because I don't discriminate. Who's a sub, chat? Who's a sub? Tippy bones.
次は原宿お出口は右側です。地下鉄千代田線と地下鉄特急列車はお乗り換えです。
Come on, that's not true.
The next station is
Private parts is here.
JY19. The doors on the right side will open. Please change here for the Chiyoda subway line and the Futoshi subway line.
We almost arrived, chat. Alright, let's get the hell off this train. Let's go. What class do you have to be able to do that? A class? You don't need a class. Oh fuck, it's rainy again, chat. Ah man. Japanese and Italian food, yes. Jake, what's your favorite city in the world? Maybe Tokyo? Alright, we're back. Everyone that was holding their subs, you can now release the subs. Everyone, let them loose, boys. Let the subs loose. Feels rain, man. I hate streaming in the rain, man. It is so annoying. Mr. Josh Box, it's 11 months, almost a year. Arigato. Baze Foos, 8 months, thank you. M Kitnick's a half a year. Arigato, boys. Delora, I see you. Like economic class? You don't need economics class for Japan. Maggie accepted her Instagram, nice. First class private parts gifted us up to Ace Essen. Who's that? Private parts. What the hell is that? It's a nice Boshi. That is a very nice Boshi. Oh, why are these shoes so slippery? What the fuck? Shoes are so slippery. Why is everyone on the right side? In Japan, in certain cities, it's different, but in Tokyo, you stand on the left and walk on the right when you go up escalators. Yeah, this is a pretty swaggy area. This is Harajuku, boys. One of the fashion capitals of the world. Well, well, well. Alright, time to get back outside in this mess. Here we go, chat. Here we go. That drip. Well. What are we doing now, boys? We're in Harajuku. What? Everything's so loud. I have an umbrella, actually. Yo, what's up? I'll tell you today. What's up, Walrus? It's cool. What shoes are you wearing? I'm wearing some. They're Vans. They're actually water resistant. Is that Owl? Looks like Owl. Water resistant Vans. Because of the rain. Nothing special. I do want some nice, better waterproof shoes, but whatever. Go to Meiji Jingu. It's right behind us. Al's too famous for us now, guys. I seriously think that. She's like too cool for us now. She does a bunch of modeling jobs and stuff. She works with like all these big ass companies. Al forgot about us after we gave her all of those Instagram followers. No, I'm just kidding. We'll see. Hopefully we'll see her one day soon. It's okay right now. What a Gucci hat. Gucci gang. She got too much clout for us, boys. She outgrew us. She only hangs out with... Who's this guy? Who's this guy, dude? Look at his legs. What the fuck? Guy's looking fucking stylish as... He's even walking on his toes. That guy's living on top of the world right now. It's a fucking Japanese tanner. It's not even tanner. It's just like he's like a gentleman. Looks like he's about to go throw down his coat in a puddle and let a girl walk over it. Hey, where are we going in? Let's go this way. What are we doing? Oh wait, no. That's a well, yeah, let's go. Wait. Upgraded Calvin? It's like polished Calvin. No, probably not. That guy probably has a lot to learn. Well. Gotta find our way. Is that Suzune? Wait. Fuck. Was that Suzune? Wait, fuck. I don't have her contact information. I only have her. Let's see. I'm like 10. It's like 20% maybe was her. Maybe not. Add Tanaka to the friends list. I only add people to the friends list if we're gonna see them again. If we don't see them again, like to hang out, we do not add them to the friends list. She didn't contact you on Discord? No, Suzanne was not on Discord. Suzanne contacted me on Twitter. That's pretty low. It's not like an actual, it doesn't actually mean friend, it's just like a meme. Calvin's bringing 2 girls? Really? Perfect. Just what we need to spice up the stream. Just kidding. That's a joke. What do you for subbing to you? Well, you get access to my dick picture on Discord. Maryville, sending message. Rain here too. Stay warm. Thanks. It's not really cold. It's just shit rain. Luckily, it's not that windy. It was really windy earlier. You should try to meet someone new today. You haven't done that for a while. It says RNT16. Well, you must have just missed the stream, dude. You missed out on Maggie. Feels bad for you. Old Jake would have been excited. Wait, for what? Skechers, I know, right? RX-7, didn't see it. Didn't see it. Mods, keep an eye on the guy named Don't Get Me Rescued. That guy's, just log him. If he's really weird, just keep an eye on him in the future. I can smell it on him. Oh fuck, this street's gonna be so difficult to walk down with the umbrellas because there's so many damn people. Molly got to 7. Oh nice, she had 150 followers. That's good. His vlogs are probably really weird. I've only seen him today. I don't like his vlogs probably gonna freak you guys out. Yeah, I do have to go poop soon. That's not good. This is Takashi the Street Boys, of course, you know, the main street here in Harajuku. That's gonna take us through the center. And let's see where we end up. Luckily it's not too crowded here. When it gets really crowded in the rain, it's so bad because the umbrellas keep bumping into each other. So. Persona 5, it's probably in Persona 5. It's like a super, like, this street specifically is more for like young fashion. You see like a lot of like high schoolers come here and like get their clothes and shit. Has like a lot of K-poppy type shit. And once you get beyond this, then it gets some more in the streetwear and other types of fashion as well. You heard someone talking shit right now? I didn't hear anything. Very hipster? Yeah, a little hipster. A little hip.
I can't do that.
Holy mother monkus. What the? Wait. Wait, what? Shoes looked awesome in that store. I love shoes personally. Right. Well, there's all the little Korea-boo stuff in there. Oh, they got bunny fucking like Easter hats now. What are they doing? I haven't been on this street in a couple, like month and a half or more, so. You got a Wendy's here now. I don't like Wendy's personally in Japan. I don't think it's good at all. But they got it. What's she doing? Oh, they got a nice little floating unicorn land drinks. What's going on in here? Damn, all these stores are actually kind of new. Oh shit, here comes it. Oh my god, there's like so many people coming through. I'm gonna wait till this passes. There's way too many people here. As soon as they get Wendy's. Well, Japan's had Wendy's, but it's just not that good. They had in Tokyo for a while. PR department's good, yeah. Actually, Wendy's is good in the US. They have the 4 for 4 deal. Alright, how do I get through here? Here we go. Holy mother monkeys, what up? Oh, sorry. Alright, made it through. Dex is 13 months, finally back in the land of the honey babies. That's right, baby. And they aren't letting us down. Hope this rain stops really soon. Oh, sorry. I'm pegging everyone with my umbrella right now. Oh, I didn't mean that kind of peg, boys. I mean like I'm just bumping into people. Gonna hang out with anyone soon? I think we're gonna meet Calvin right now. Guys doing some dances. Oh, I gotta buy some base stuff before I go home today.
Yo, my friends, Jake.
Oh hey, I saw you streaming the other day
Hello.
with Bella. What's up?
Yeah, I met her. I met her in my hometown, Shibuya.
Oh nice, sweet. What's up? How you doing?
What's this? New stuff?
Oh yeah, I got the new backpack
There's
on.
something I wanted to do for a long time.
Oh shit, what are you doing? Not alcohol.
IRL donation.
Nah, dude, I don't need that.
Yeah, you want it, I know.
Nah, I don't.
I heard you like to travel.
Nah, dude, don't give me that.
No, it's IRL. I know you like Korea. So next time
it's
you go
$5. I have this. I already have this at my house.
there, you can buy yourself a beer in Korea.
Thank you. This will buy a few beers, right?
I don't know, never been there.
How'd you get this?
I got this as an exchange.
Oh, okay.
I gave my money and I got this one.
Are you going to Korea soon?
Maybe, yeah, but I don't know yet.
This is $5. So you should take it.
No,
I
it's
have
IRL,
this.
IRL donation. You have to take it.
But I'm not. I mean, I have Korean money. Like,
No, it's a donation.
All right.
What are you gonna do?
Now you have to make the donation sounds.
What is the sound?
My donation sounds.
What is the sound? I don't know how it sounds.
I mean, there's a couple of them.
How much is $5?
I don't
How
remember.
does it sound?
I don't remember actually.
Let's see. Give us $5. We're gonna listen to it.
I think it just goes. It's $50 is a good one. It starts yelling at you.
Yo? It's yo?
No, it's not. It's different than sub sound.
How about this one? No?
It goes.
Hey, I'm technically not a sub then.
No, hold on. It goes.
I'm just,
Wait, what does it sound like? Hold on. It goes.
everyone says yo, maybe you're just wrong.
There's two of them. Oh, it's arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu.
I can do that.
That's it. And then the $10 one is. Eigo de say 1 to 10 in English or something. Okay.
Where are you
Thank you.
going?
I want to go meet my friend Calvin.
Calvin, the beautiful man?
Yeah, you know him?
I heard she's very beautiful.
Yeah, he's pretty.
I wish I could meet him.
Oh. I'm sure.
Maybe soon, maybe sometime.
I'm sure if you stream enough, he'll come snipe you.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Yeah.
My future. Okay, see ya.
Well, nice to meet you again.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
All right. I
Heading
love you.
home.
Okay. See ya. Bye bye.
Are you gonna snipe me as well?
No,
You're gonna snipe me?
probably not.
Future?
I might be in the same area, but not an actual snipe.
Hey, I'm gonna be there Saturday as well.
Oh, I don't know what I'm doing yet Saturday. I'll probably be home playing Classic WoW.
So, no, don't be a nerd.
What? Dude, that's my life. Hell yeah. All right. Well,
Hey,
nice to meet
see
you.
ya.
Have a good one.
Corner.
Thanks for the 5.
Yeah.
Yep, love you. See you. Yep. Easiest $5,000 of my life. No, just kidding. Thanks for that IRL donation, man. He's I saw him. He was streaming with Bell the other day. We found him on Discord. I don't know if he's saying, but I ran into him before. Like, I forgot when. I think he's Dutch. Where's he from again? I forgot. He's cool. Thanks for saying hey. Justin, 10 months. Thanks, Justin. Chat, I'm gonna split that $5,000 to each one of you. That's at least $3 per person, right? Damn, this is school must have just got out or something. There's a lot of school people walking down the street. Very crowded. Julian, $10. Arigato. Thank you, Julian. Julian. Well, this guy trying to sell the fake streetwear. Fake Versace. His eyes were darting on. They gave me an awkward feel. Sniping's always kind of not the, it's always difficult. So I always give snipers the benefit of the doubt. Oh, something smells so good. Oh, it's this shit. Oh, they got strawberry right now. This thing's so good. It's like a cream puff filled with strawberry cream. Oh, it's seasonal too. Damn. It's definitely gonna give me diarrhea though. Look how good that looks. Oh man. I want that, but I'm gonna get diarrhea. I can't do it. You guys want that, chat? I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about just doing it. It's an IBS shooter. Fuck. I'm thinking about it. I was like, it looks too good to pass up. Okay. I'll do it. Alright, let's do it.
Distracted now. Oh, actually, Hong Kong has other stuff like this too. This or the cheesesteak, choose one. Because Hong Kong doesn't have cheesesteak, so Hong Kong has this.
Hong Kong. Oh. Ooh, yeah, baby. I think I was staring at those two girls and I didn't realize I was zoning out and they left. It's my bad. Hello. How are you? I would like to Ichigo Saku. Alright. Oh shit. I like your hat. Nice Boshi. Boshi ski. Very nice. Let's see if I have it. Oh, okay, I do. There you go.
520円お願いします。200円のお返しです。
ありがとうございます。Thank you. ありがとうございます。Ooh. Okay. What's this?
こういう普段愛情のおもたらしい。どう浜松だから。
Alright, boys. Holy shit, look at my phone. It's going crazy. What the fuck did you guys do? What the hell happened to my phone? Oh, she got the fret. Oh, wow, we got the last of the last batch. I hate the rain, guys. I'm carrying too much shit right now. You guys never seen chat that fast. Oh my god, where do we even... I don't even know where to eat this. This rain is so shit. Whatever. Not in the mood for this today. Sorry. Not in the mood for this rain today, boys. It's probably the worst thing ever. It's probably the fastest chat's ever been on Twitch. Why so many transparent umbrellas? Because the density of people is a lot, and so you can see through them, so you know when you're bumping into people. Also, they're cheap to recycle and reuse and remake. Yeah. I have the. It's not ice cream. It's like a cream puff for the most part. Yo, Kuchi, thanks for the 3 months. Arigato. Oh, I thought I knew that guy. Yeah, most people have the clear umbrellas in Japan. I want to eat this, but I can't. I'm holding way too much shit now, and I just can't eat it comfortably. Really sucks. IRL streamer problems. Like, I don't even know where I can go. Let's try it. Here we go. Let's try our strawberry cream puff, boys. Oh shit. Can I just go right here? Is this okay? There it is. There she is, boys. The Zaku. Jared, thanks for the brand Prime, but I got that Jet it. Let's try it out. Oh my god. Holy shit, so good. Holy fuck, chat. That is... Hey, who's that? What? Hassan? What? Hassan? You remember me? Dude, I thought you were just being nice to me at TwitchCon because you felt bad for me because you were like super handsome and big and strong and tall, and you just felt bad for me, so you're just being nice to me at the after party. Dude, you hosted me. Wow. I'm blushing. Well, thank you, and hello to all the little Abbies, the Abby Boo Boos. I mean, I don't know you guys. I don't know, what does he call you guys? The Hassan. I don't know, whatever. Welcome to my stream. My name is Jake. I just live in Tokyo and basically live stream my life, and I'm eating this little strawberry cream puff. It's really delicious. It's seasonal, by the way. You can type !Jake if you want to learn a little more. If not, well, look, it's raining and it sucks, and it really puts a damper on my day for IRL streams, but whatever. Welcome, boys. Thanks, Hassan. Appreciate that. Canute here? Hi, Canute. Oh, he calls you guys communists? Okay. What's up, commies? Suck out the cream? Okay. Lout Lot. Lout Lot, guys, that's staff. Hi, Lout Lot. Thanks for 8 months. Nice to see you last night, and hope to see you again soon. Can we get some K-Comrades for Hassan and his crew? I saw his new article on Kotaku. Hassan Avi is the #1 socialist streamer on Twitch. You guys know that? He's a socialist. Everything in that article is 100% factual, by the way, chat. Oh, thanks, Hassan. I'm coming back to LA for E3, by the way. Let's hang out. Oh. Sorry. Yes. This is the Russian national anthem. Russia no uta, kuni uta, so. Yeah, sorry about that. Bad timing. You need a casa. You need a casa. You are so wet. You are, yep. Stay dry, my friend.
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye. Have a good day. An audience, dude. That was cool. This is actually so good, by the way, chat. That wasn't even awkward. That was such a normal conversation. Well, including a, hello. Hello. Casa means, umbrella. Oh, is Raj Patel here? Cramerton has gifted a sub to Hassan Abi. Hey, Ace, thanks for the Twitch Prime. Roar, thanks for the 18 months long-time support. And Amin, thanks for the 10. Chat, I hope you guys don't think this is weird. But the store we're standing in front of right now is actually a... We should probably get